Hey everyone, welcome to eGreen Channel. Let's talk soup. Today, we're going to explore a dish that is both simple and sophisticated. Today, we're diving into a classic French recipe that's as comforting as a warm hug. Potato leek soup, also known as potage parmentier. This dish has been a staple in French cuisine for generations, and it's easy to see why. This soup is the epitome of simple French cooking, made with humble ingredients that transform into a creamy, flavorful delight. With just a few basic ingredients like leeks, potatoes, butter, and broth, you can create something truly magical. Imagine this: a chilly evening, a crackling fireplace, and a steaming bowl of potato leek soup in your hands. It's the perfect way to warm up and unwind after a long day. The aroma itself is enough to make your mouth water. As the soup simmers, the kitchen fills with the comforting scent of leeks and potatoes, mingling together in perfect harmony. It's creamy, it's hearty, and it's surprisingly easy to make. The texture is velvety smooth, and each spoonful is a burst of flavor that will leave you wanting more. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting your culinary journey, this recipe is a must-try. It's a great way to practice your knife skills and learn the basics of French cooking. It's a testament to the fact that sometimes the simplest dishes are the most satisfying. A sprinkle of fresh herbs or a drizzle of cream can elevate this humble soup to new heights. So, grab your apron and let's get cooking. With just a few ingredients and a little bit of time, you'll have a delicious, comforting bowl of potato leek soup ready to enjoy. Now, let's talk about one of the stars of our soup, the leek. This humble vegetable often goes unnoticed, but it plays a crucial role in many dishes. Don't let its understated appearance fool you. Leeks are a powerhouse of flavor and nutrition. This member of the allium family, along with onions and garlic, packs a flavorful punch. They all share a common lineage, yet each brings its unique taste to the table. Leeks have a milder, sweeter taste compared to their pungent cousins, adding a delicate oniony flavor to our soup. Their subtle sweetness can elevate the simplest of recipes. When shopping for leeks, look for firm, straight stalks with dark green leaves. These are indicators of freshness and quality. Don't be afraid to give them a good sniff. Fresh leeks should have a clean, earthy aroma. This scent is a sign of their freshness and readiness for cooking. And remember, the white and light green parts are what we're after for our soup, as they are the most tender and flavorful sections. So trim off those tough, dark green leaves. These parts can be saved for making stock, ensuring nothing goes to waste. One of the best things about potato leek soup is its versatility. It's a naturally vegetarian dish, and with a simple swap, it can easily be made vegan-friendly. Traditionally, butter is used to sauté the leeks, but for a vegan version, simply substitute it with olive oil or your favorite plant-based butter. The creamy texture of the soup comes from the potatoes themselves, but if you're feeling indulgent, a splash of cream or milk can be added at the end. For a vegan alternative, try using plant-based milk or cream, or simply omit it altogether. The soup will still be incredibly delicious. Let's not forget the other star of our show, the humble potato. These starchy wonders are not only budget-friendly, but also packed with essential nutrients. Potatoes are an excellent source of vitamin C, potassium, and fiber, making them a wholesome and satisfying addition to our soup. When choosing potatoes for your soup, Opt for starchy varieties like russet or Yukon Gold. These potatoes will break down beautifully during cooking, creating that irresistibly creamy texture we all love in a good potato leek soup. Section 5. The sweet embrace of leeks. A symphony of flavors. Leeks, with their subtle sweetness and delicate onion flavor, bring a unique depth of flavor to our soup. They have a way of mellowing out during cooking, infusing the broth with a savory sweetness that complements the earthy potatoes perfectly. Don't be afraid to be generous with the leeks. Their flavor is what truly elevates this soup from ordinary to extraordinary. As they simmer gently in the pot, they release their aromatic oils, creating a symphony of flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. Section 6. Health on a spoon, nourishing your body with every bite. Beyond its incredible flavor, potato leek soup is also surprisingly good for you. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, making it a nourishing and comforting meal. Potatoes are a good source of vitamin C, which is essential for a healthy immune system. Leeks are a good source of prebiotics, which are beneficial for gut health. Plus, this soup is naturally low in fat and calories, making it a healthy and satisfying option for any time of year. So, you can indulge in this creamy, flavorful soup without any guilt. Section 7. Crafting Comfort, a step-by-step recipe for potato leek soup. This is a classic dish that brings warmth and comfort to any table, perfect for a cozy night in or a family gathering. All right, enough talk, let's get cooking. Gather your ingredients and let's dive into this delicious and hearty soup. This recipe is so simple, you'll be amazed at how easily it comes together. With just a few basic steps, you'll have a pot of soup that's both satisfying and nutritious. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons butter or olive oil, whichever you prefer for a richer or lighter taste. 2 large leeks, white and light green parts only, sliced thinly to ensure they cook evenly and release their sweet, mild flavor. 1 pound of potatoes, peeled and diced into small cubes. This will help them cook faster and blend smoothly into the soup. Salt and pepper to taste, essential for bringing out the flavors of the leeks and potatoes. Fresh chives or parsley for garnish, optional. These herbs add a pop of color and a fresh, vibrant taste to the finished dish. Instructions: 1. In a large pot or Dutch oven, melt the butter or heat the olive oil over medium heat. This forms the base of your soup, giving it a rich, savory start. Add the sliced leeks and cook, stirring occasionally until softened, about 5 to 7 minutes. The leeks should become tender and slightly translucent, releasing their sweet aroma. 2. Pour in the vegetable broth and add the diced potatoes. The broth will provide a flavorful liquid base, while the potatoes will add body and creaminess to the soup. Season generously with salt and pepper. This is your chance to layer in the flavors, so don't be shy with the seasoning. 3. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce heat to low and simmer, covered, until the potatoes are tender, about 20 to 25 minutes. This slow cooking process allows the flavors to meld together beautifully. 4. Using an immersion blender or carefully transferring the soup to a regular blender. Blend until smooth and creamy. Be cautious with hot liquids to avoid any accidents. 5. Taste and adjust seasoning as needed. This is your final chance to perfect the flavor, so make sure it's just right. If the soup is too thick, add a little more broth or water to reach your desired consistency. Stir well to incorporate the additional liquid evenly. Finally, serve the soup hot, garnished with fresh chives or parsley if desired. Enjoy your homemade potato leek soup, a dish that's sure to warm your heart and soul. Section 8. Garnish and enjoy. Adding a touch of freshness, your creamy, comforting potato leek soup is ready to be devoured. Ladle it into bowls and garnish with a sprinkle of fresh chives or parsley for a touch of freshness. For an extra layer of flavour, try topping it with a dollop of crème fraîche or a drizzle of olive oil. Serve your soup with crusty bread for dipping or a side salad for a complete and satisfying meal. And there you have it. A taste of French comfort food that's as easy to make as it is delicious. Section 9. Conclusion. A culinary adventure awaits. So, there you have it. Potato leek soup, a classic French dish that's as simple as it is satisfying. It's a testament to the fact that sometimes the most humble ingredients can create the most extraordinary flavours. I encourage you to give this recipe a try and experience the magic of this comforting soup for yourself. It's a dish that's perfect for any occasion, whether you're looking for a cosy weeknight dinner or a simple yet impressive starter for your next gathering. So go ahead, grab your ingredients and embark on this culinary adventure. Happy cooking! Don't forget to subscribe to the eGreen channel, the brainchild of Said Mustafa, a dedicated public health professional and visionary, committed to providing you with valuable insights for a healthier and happier life. Stay tuned for more interesting facts.